My goal here is really to get as many feet painted as possible in each session that I have to sit down with the film. All the editing and everything is going to happen later once the film is digitized, and then I can actually look at the material. So right now it's very hard to see it. It's negative, and it's well, it's in black and white, and I'm adding all this color to it. So it's going to be beautiful. It's going to be psychedelic once it's digitized. So it's that little process. You have to have a lot of patience. You know, these colors are beautiful, but remember they're going to be opposite. When we invert, when we digitize, they're negative, and invert it to positive, the colors will invert with it. It's nice to make a bit of headway here with this technique. The negative has a very porous texture, very porous surface, so the colors adhere nicely to it, and it dries rather quickly, which allows me to work kind of rapidly, even though I kind of almost don't care too much if they blur into one another. I'm feeling like I want to see a little yellow in the mix. See if we throw a little yellow in there, what's going to happen, right? Of course, that yellow is going to invert to its opposite. It's going to be blue. And remember, of course, it moves at 24 frames per second, so these colors are going to be swishing by pretty quickly as the film moves through the projector. So you will just be seeing different washes of color evolving as the film moves. You can see how much we still have left to paint. It's a lot of work. gives me a lot of peace to do this kind of work. You know, when I'm kind of stressed and I have no more bandwidth to deal with the business and the commercial stuff that I'm doing lately and the selling of the art and all that other stuff that we kind of have to do as artists besides just creating. We gotta be marketers and we gotta do all kinds of other things. Doing this work is kind of just brings me back to my roots. Just brings me back to a feeling that I absolutely love. A feeling of total peace. Total peace. And this is where I really just feel grateful for the fact that I'm an artist. For the fact that this is what I've devoted my life to.